Hello, hello. Day after Halloween, trick or treat. Feeling my age today. I'm just gonna give you like a little showdown here. I'm gonna try not to talk too much. My voice is kind of a little Santa Ana wind issues. Sounds like I'm crying all the time. So anyhow, I'm just gonna give you like a little tour. Try and make it quick. Seems that I do that almost every video, so I'm just gonna turn on the headlight on this phone and then just do that. This is kind of like plumbing for the wires so the wires don't get all cut up while you're in the dirt and stuff, messing around. I'm trying to go slow so you could see stuff. Cool little brackets. Everything's like kind of sweated, like soldered. So this one's for the side LEDs. This one's for the front LEDs. The other side. It's gonna be like a circus, um, like a cross between a circus and a Christmas show. So anyhow, you guys have a great day tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video. We're gonna try and start it tomorrow and take it around possibly, or at least the weekend. So that's cool. It's been a long time. So these are just kind of they're just setting in there. They're kind of these two are soldered together. The pipes just keep the wires from melting and getting cut. Oh, what do we have here? Uh, it's my favorite part. I think I drank too much coffee. Okay, you guys have a great night, and I will give you an update tomorrow. Bye bye.